Where's the owner of the car?
Down the street.
Okay. I spoke to her mom, so.
Sean David? Yeah,
Alright,
just give her a call, yeah.
Okay. Alright, I got the floor lock out. There's a code on it. At least I can see this one. K617. Right there. So we'll cut that key, program it, and we're out of here. What's funny is some of the Chinese machines will actually cut this key smoother. You don't have to actually use a file, but on my machine you have to use that file. Anyway, the key's working good now. Okay, we got a key that turns. That's always a good sign. On my vehicle, Civic, 2006. Key and remote, or key, either one should work. We're gonna do all key lost, one key, ignition off. That light should start blinking really fast soon. And you know you're in programming mode. Nope, failure. See it right there? Try again. Turn off. Turn on. Off. Turn the lights out. We're good. Success. Alright, car's on. I think this remote is separate. Oh god, the key's stuck in there, of course, because it's the first time. Okay, now it's good. Oh, buttons are programmed. They work already. There we go. We're all done.